One of the themes that we see playing through quite significantly this year is an overlapping nexus between clean tech and national security. And I would start by saying this nexus has always been there. There's always been an argument for many of these technologies to create more decentralization, more distribution in things like energy generation, recycling, harvesting of water, and then also in the decentralization of supply chains. That said, the current environment of the world has made it so some of these arguments get elevated by clean tech innovators. And we see this nexus emerging really across the spectrum. We very much so see it in energy generation, things like geothermal that can go onto a military base to provide uninterrupted power supply. You're also seeing it in spaces like energy storage that can facilitate more decentralization and more sovereignty of an energy installation. And of course, in critical minerals. So that is all of the minerals that are needed for defense products. We're seeing much more drive to be extracting those in the clean way, refining them in a clean way, and then more circularity at the end of the value chain to keep materials onshore. So we're seeing this really play through across a few different spectrums. And then we also see the emergence of direct dual use technologies. Things like weather observation, or earth observation and weather forecasting have always had applications in clean tech. Think things like methane monitoring, but also weather forecasting for agricultural operations. Those have direct applications now with military operations as well. And we're seeing that start to take hold. So if I would really put it really concisely, this concept of sovereignty, it can be national sovereignty, it can be corporate sovereignty, and this is becoming a priority really around the world in an environment where there's less confidence in a global trade ecosystem, less confidence in geopolitics, and these technologies are really filling that gap.